Hello everyone, here we have a Beko DW663 fully integrated dishwasher. It's a faulty machine. As always, remove the power supply if doing any work on it. The fault with this machine is that the machine keeps on draining and doesn't operate any washing programs. So I've had the machine removed from its housing, remove the side panels, and first thing to check was any water in the base of the machine. There was. So I've had it all dried out. Then ensure that the power supply is disconnected. Where this polystyrene is, at the base of the machine, there's a micro switch there. It's an anti-flood switch. So as water increases in the base, the anti-flood switch activates and then stops the machine from running programs, and it just carries on draining. So I had a good look around to see if there were any pipes or anything leaking in the machine, but I found nothing. But what I did find was that this particular part here on the side of the machine, on the right hand side, the air suction tube, I found this to be leaking, and it was leaking over here. It was dripping down into the base of the machine. So what I did was I opened the machine up here. Just put something on these doors to hold them down, and then I pull forward the top tray, and inside the machine you have this part here, which is just about visible. And this connects to the air suction tube. So I remove that part here, twist it around, gave it a good clean and wash. And also on this side I removed this part here, and you'll see that there's a rubber gasket in here. I took the gasket out gently and I gave it a good wash, gave all this area here a good clean, reseated the gasket and applied some silicone grease to it, and then I refitted the part. So just put this back in, give it a turn around until it clicks into place, and then on the other side I've put the air suction tube back in, and it's fitting firmly now in place, and I'm just turning around this part here, and it's firmly fitted in. Then what I've done is I've given the machine a test, so I'll just put this back in there. I'll gently take the tools off, close the door, plug the machine in, start a program. So the machine will start draining. And then it'll start filling as well. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video now to allow it to drain, and once it's drained it will start filling, and then I'll carry on the video when it's towards the end of its filling stage. I'll just let it drain a bit more. There you go, it's starting to fill now, so I'll just pause the video now. Well, the machine's still filling, but I think it'll be coming towards the end of its filling stage soon. So I'll carry on running the video. What I'm going to look out for is if there's any leaks over here. Let's give it a wipe. There we are. And that's water coming through the air fan suction tube. all bone dry there. So hopefully that will no longer leak, and here we have a faulty dishwasher back in action again. Hopefully this video has helped you. Please can you give it a like, and thank you very much for watching.